Okay, so now let's talk about the second feeling, the present, things that are still true, things that are still happening, still open. Door is still open.
Right, so this is the moment you're in right now. Things that are happening as you speak, or things that are always true about you or someone else.
For example, I work at a school. Still true, not done, not past. She lives with her sister. Still true right now. We eat dinner at 7 every evening. A habit, a pattern, still happening, still true.
And here's where learners sometimes get confused, and I totally understand why. Because sometimes you might say something that sounds like it could be either. Like, I am tired. That's right now, this moment, this feeling. But I was tired, that's before, that's done. Maybe you slept, maybe you had coffee, and now it's past.
So the question to ask yourself is this still true or is this already finished? If it's still true, open door. If it's finished, closed door.
Let's slow down on that for a moment because I think it's really the key. Imagine someone asks you, "Are you hungry?" And you say, "I was hungry." That means you were hungry before, but now you're not. Maybe you already ate. The hunger is gone. Closed door. But if you say, "I am hungry," that means right now, in this moment, you need food. Open door. Very open door.
Very urgent door.
Yes, definitely feed me now.
Okay, let's go a little deeper because there's another moment that trips people up, and it's one of my favorites to explain. It's when you're talking about your experience, not just one specific moment, but your whole life history with something. Things you have done at some point, things you have seen, things you have learned.
Yes, this is such a beautiful part of English. It's like it exists somewhere between past and present. It's your personal story. Things that happened at some point in your life and still connect to who you are today.
So think about it this way. Someone asks, "Can you drive?" And you say, "I have driven a car before, but I don't drive much now." See that? You're not saying when. You're not saying the exact date. You're saying at some point in my life, this happened, and it's relevant now.
And this comes up all the time in conversation, in job interviews, on dates, when you're meeting someone new. I have traveled to 5 countries. You're not saying when, it's your life story. She has worked in this industry for 10 years, still ongoing, still relevant. We have known each other since university, a connection that started in the past and is still alive right now.
It's such a warm feeling, isn't it? Like you're sharing your depth as a person, your history, not just a fact, but a feeling of this is part of who I am.
Exactly. And the key word to notice, the little helper word, is have or has. It's like a bridge between your past self and your present self. It says, my past experience is connected to who I am right now.
Now, here's a quick contrast that I want to make sure everyone takes home, because this is where the magic really is. I ate sushi last night. One specific moment. Done. Last night. Closed. I have eaten sushi before. Life experience. No specific time. Still part of you.
Do you feel the difference? One is a snapshot. The other is a painting. One says, this specific thing happened at this specific time. The other says, this experience is part of my story.
And both are beautiful. Both are useful. You just have to feel which one fits the moment you're in.
Okay, listener check-in time. I love this part. Pause right here if you need to. Think about your own day. What are 3 things that already happened? 3 closed doors. And what is one thing that is still true right now? 1 open door.
Say it to yourself. Say it out loud. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to speak.
I woke up at 7, I made breakfast, I listened to a podcast, and right now, I am learning English. See? That's your day. In English. You're already doing it.
You really are. And that feels good, doesn't it?
It really does. Okay, let's get into the mistakes section. And I want to say this clearly. We are not here to judge. We are here to gently help you understand why certain things sound a little off, and more importantly, how to shift them just slightly so you feel more confident.